Hello viewers, welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. Today's vlog is all about something we deal with every day, but don't always talk about it. Garbage disposal, here in this beautiful city of Calgary. Did you know the city of Calgary provides each household with 3 color-coded bins? Green, black and blue, each with its own purpose in helping us manage waste responsibly and keep our city clean and sustainable. Let's take a closer look at what goes where and how you can do your part to dispose of garbage the right way. Let's start with the green bin. This one's for organic waste. Food scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, meat, bones, dairy, eggshells, and even coffee grounds. Yard waste such as leaves, grass, clippings, branches, etc. Food salt paper, paper towels, napkin, etc. Compostable bags, but only the ones marked so. Keeping organics out of the garbage helps reduce greenhouse gases. Next up is blue bin, your go-to for recyclables. In here you can place paper products like newspapers, magazines, cardboards, plastic containers, metal cans and tin food cans. Glass jars and bottles rinsed and clean. Remember, no plastic bags, no food scraps, no dirty containers. Recycling right means less waste in the landfill and more materials getting a second life. And finally, we have the black bin. This is for everything that can't be composted or recycled. Here's what belongs in the black bin. Non-recyclable plastics like chip bags, candy wrappers and plastic cutlery. Food trays and packaging. And household items like old toys, ceramics, small appliances. Personal hygiene products like diapers or wipes. Here's something important to know. These color-coded bins are usually kept outdoors, in the back alley or along the edge of your property. And if you're moving into a new house and don't see any bins, just call 311, Calgary's city service line, and request a new set. The city will deliver the bins directly to your address. Now you might be wondering, since the color-coded bins stay outside, what do we do in the house? Well, here's what works for me. I've set up 3 smaller bins indoors and color-coded them. This simple system makes it so much easier to sort waste as you go. Now let's talk about how I manage the green bin, especially when it comes to keeping things clean and mess-free. At home, I line the green bin with a compostable paper bag. Sometimes even something like this potato bag. All the usual food waste, peels, scraps, leftovers go right in. But for very wet items like meat scraps, protein waste, coffee grounds, I like to wrap them in a kitchen towel before tossing them in. It helps keep the paper liner from getting soggy. As for the yard waste, that goes straight into the green bin. No need to bag it. The city's compost truck comes by to collect the green bin once every week. So as long as you keep adding to it regularly, managing organics becomes easy. Now let me show you what we've recently placed in the blue bin. We've got milk Tetra packs, juice boxes, plastic milk jugs, all of which are technically recyclable. But here's a little tip. We don't put these into the blue bin outside. Instead, we prefer to collect and take them to the bottle depot. Why? Because you can get back the deposit you paid when purchasing these beverages. See here on this receipt, there's a separate charge listed as a deposit for the Beatrice's 2% milk. So when you return these containers, the bottle depot refunds that deposit. So it's a win-win, better recycling and a bit of cash back too. I'll take you along on a bottle depot trip in another video. As for the rest of the trash, Things like snack wrappers, plastic packaging go into the black bin. The black bin is collected only once every 2 weeks. Now you might be wondering, how do we keep track of which bin goes out when? 3 different bins and alternating schedules, it can get confusing. The most helpful tool I found is the Calgary Garbage Day app. Just open the app, type in your address, it does the rest. Not only does it give you plenty of helpful tips about sorting waste correctly, but it also shows you the exact pickup schedule for your location. See, it shows how coming Tuesday is a day for black card collection and Wednesday the day for green card collection. Right there, you can see specific dates like June 4th and 11th for green card and June 3rd and 17th for black card. And if you're ever unsure about where a specific item belongs, just use the app's Waste Wizard feature. So let's check household items. Say cosmetics. Let's choose makeup and cosmetics. So all these items can be disposed into your black cart. Now let's choose lighting, renovations and yard. Amidst the options, lighting and then LED light bulb. So that goes into black cart. But be cautious about the hazardous waste. Your cleaning materials. Suppose we search automotive vehicles and maintenance, motor oil, and they show take to a household hazardous waste drop-off location. At the end, just remember to click on the 3 dots on the bottom right. Go to the notifications, click yes, set the time and the day before. Now you will automatically get reminders the day before the cart arrives. Proper waste sorting isn't just a daily routine. It's a small habit that makes a big impact. Let's all do our part to keep the city clean and environmentally responsible.